finally, for the vise, we are going to do the assembly. So this you're going to save as vise assembly. Okay. And I'm going to go over here to the data panel, and this should show all of the work that we have done so far on this stuff. So I want you to start with the pin right here, and we're going to grab, click, and drag and drop into our workspace. Okay. And that is great. We're going to move it up maybe about 150 and move it over, I don't know, something like that. Okay. And then we're going to hit OK. Then we're going to grab skill 7A. So hopefully everything is saved correctly. And we're going to go in here, and I'm going to close this out. And we're going to say, actually, we're going to move this so that it's sort of close-ish to that. And I'm going to kind of zoom in. Okay. And click here, hold shift, click here, and we're going to go up to assemble, and we're going to go joint, and it's just going to move it right on top, which is great. And then I'm going to kind of adjust that until it looks like so, and hit OK. You want to make sure to save frequently as we're doing this, because it's a lot for the computer to hold. So I'm going to zoom out, open this up again. Need a second washer. So we're going to include that. Okay. You actually, see, it's starting to, okay. Okay. So we're going to scoot this over here. I'm going to select this one and shift 2, hit assemble and joint. It's going to go ahead and put that on top. I'm going to kind of orbit, make sure that this makes kind of sense here. Click, click. Just about right there is fine. Okay. Then we're going to zoom out. Okay, I'm going to go from here again. We're going to grab the bolt or the screw. Okay. Drag that in. I'm going to close that. We have to rotate this up. So nope, not like that. We have to rotate it this way. So until it's 90. Okay. I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to select this, hold shift and select this. And go assemble. This is why Fusion is amazing. I'm going to kind of center that. Okay. Now let's say that you didn't like where you wanted it. You can click on this guy, or you can click down here, and it'll open that up again. And anything that you want to change or move, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. Save. All right. Next thing is going to be that little, the little dome down at the bottom. This cute little fellow. Okay. We are going to zoom in really tight. I'm going to hit OK on that. Zoom in really tight there. And actually here. Wait, nope. Zoom out. And then hold shift and grab this piece. And then I'm going to hit assemble, and it's going to put it right on top. I'm going to move it down. Okay. And up like that. So underneath, and we hit OK. Kind of put it like that. Okay. Next piece is we're going to grab this is the final thing. We're going to grab the lower vise jaw, grab it into it, click and drag at the piece in. Now, this guy's a little fussy. So we're going to hit OK. I'm going to hit save. Okay. Just save often. Okay, now you think you would be able to go in here, click this, click shift, click this, and then assemble, but it doesn't like line up quite correctly. So instead of doing that, we're gonna go Control Z. We're gonna line up this body, click here, shift, and then click here, and then I'm going to do a joint, and that is going to line those up on top of each other, and then I'm going to move this down like so. All right, and that essentially is it. We did the whole thing, you guys. So this piece actually, okay, so that's it. So I'm going to go like that. There is my whole lower jaw. You can turn the joints, this viewer off, and then that you can turn it back on if you want to mess with it. You can turn it off. And we're going to go to render, and this is how I'm going to sign it. And look at that. You guys have created a compound shape. Beautiful. Well done, you guys.